Hello, this screencast will show you how to input data from Google Docs to tinkerplots and create graphs on tinkerplots. So right now we are going to use the sample data. Um, Notice it's spread up in the spreadsheet. First thing you need to do is you need to go to File, Download As, and then click on CSV. Then you need to save this document. Then you need to open tinkerplots. But when you save the document, you have to know where you saved it because you need to import it to tinkerplots. So right now I'm in tinkerplots. I'm going to go to File, Import from File, and then I have to find the document that I just saved. One trick is because I know I just saved it, I can say search for today, and I see it under here. So I just double clicked on the file that I want to import, and it will create a card stack. This should have all the data from the spreadsheet. I can click in each case to find out information. Then I click on plot, which will make a graph, and it, and then I can drag it to where I want to put my graph. I'm going to resize it. And then to make my graphs, I have to just click on the attributes, which are the different variables, whether they're independent variable or dependent variables, and I just drag them to an axis on the graph. So typically you want to start with your independent variable, put it on the bottom, and then take your dependent variable, one of your dependent variables, click on it, and drag it to the y-axis. Um, and you can, to get rid of these lines, spread out the data, you can click on the dot and drag it up or drag it to the right. You can always undo it by clicking on the dot and put it in the opposite direction. So this is a scatter plot. You might also choose to create a bar graph. Next thing, you want to make sure you save your data. So I'm going to save this. Back. Make sure you know where you save your items. Now, if you wanted to print this graph, now if you want to print this graph, you go up to Edit and then Copy as Picture, and it will save it. Then you can open up Microsoft Word or some other word processing software, and then you should be able to paste. So under Edit, Paste, and there's your graph. And then you just make sure you save it. Thank you.